click the bell icon and never miss another update from Bollywood Spy.
Superb stuff. Just loved it.
You saw it for the first time?
Yeah.
How did you know it's good?
I just saw it.
Nice things before, no?
देख के बोला मैंने. He's like अभी तेरी वाट लगाऊंगा. अपना भी राब्ता है. Yeah.
Good afternoon. This film is about an unexplainable connect, and I've had it with this script for a very long time. I couldn't understand why. And along the way, I've been very fortunate to meet a lot of people who've gone way beyond what their job entails to help even this trailer come through. You guys know who you all are. Thank you very much. I've been around for 12 years in this business making films, and this is the first time my mother's here. Thank you so much for being there always. There was a time when I didn't know whether I would make this film. I thought maybe I shouldn't make this film, and you know how we all doubt ourselves. And at that point of time, we did a small test with Sushant and Kriti. Shop, they made that scene come alive. And thank you to both of them because they kind of gave me the confidence, and I said, yes, this film is about this very energy that the two of them share, and they were meeting for the first time. So from my mind to Shiv and Saira, to Sushant and Kriti, I'd like to call, without any further ado, my lead cast, Sushant Singh Rajput and Kriti Sanon. Yeah. You all want to say something? I think you should talk about your connects and let's get that out of the way only. The screen off, just say it all.
Zabardasti. No, but I really want to say that I truly believe that sometimes, you know, when you meet some people, you really connect with them much more than you connect with the others. You tend to have long conversations without even knowing each other. So that unexplainable connect, that rabta, which can be with anyone, is something that I truly connected with. And I remember meeting, so whenever I've met Dinu, I've usually met him for some other film and he's narrated me some other film. And that's what happened. I had met him for something else where he started narrating me Rabta unknowingly when he was not even sure whether he was making it or not. And he just loved that story. And I went back home and after it stayed with me for 2 days and I just messaged him that, listen, that story that you told me in that meeting, why aren't you making that? I really want to do that. And then he called me back again and I met Sushant for the first time. And he was like this surprise in that meeting because I didn't know he was coming. And no, I didn't know. And we did this scene which, usually when you're meeting someone for the first time, in one go or two go, you're still saying your lines and all. But in the third take, I think something happened where we started completing each other's lines. And I felt there it sort of came a little alive. And I really feel that I was meant to be a part of Rabta. And I had already this some Rabta with Rabta.
I remember meeting Dino, I think it was 2.5 years back, and I'm a selfish actor, so I just think about if I have to invest 6-7 months of my life, the script needs to be, it should excite me to great level. And I remember that meeting when we were discussing films, we discussed around four films, 4 scripts, and this was a film that he was not offering me. And it got stuck, and I read the script. I could not let it out of my head, although there are things in the film that personally I don't believe in, but the script was so well written and the way Dinu narrated, I wanted to believe in all those things. So yeah, so if you, great time reading the script, building the character, and then experiencing shooting the film, And I hope you guys, when you watch the film, have the same wonderful experience. Thank you.
So this film would be incomplete without. I think I have some sort of connection. My godfather is Parsi. A good friend of mine is Parsi, and he's Parsi and he knows it. And I think he has made me explore my own dark side that I didn't know. Ladies and gentlemen, Zach as Jim Saab. Say something.
Say things. Yeah, hey, wait, why am I not on the poster?
You're special. We've discussed this. We had to hide you.
I'm the hidden secret. Y'all didn't notice me in the trailer. No, I understand. I don't know.
You can wait.
I went in, I did an audition. I don't think I did it the way it was written. I did it a bit weird, which I think actually was how it was written, but that wasn't the brief we were getting. I don't know exactly what the deal was.
Making a lot of sense.
I was doing some things, and then I guess they liked it, so now I'm in the film.
Okay, I'd like to introduce. So I found a new partner during this film in terms of who has the same passion for music. The advantage was with this time I was directing, so I needed support, and these two gentlemen really supported me. One for any crazy thing I want. The other guy was when he first directed. It was I was a first-time producer. It's strange that this time he's a first-time producer and I'm a first-time director. My really good friend and Maddox's new producer, Homia Dajania and Bhushan Kumar.
Why am I not on the poster?
The stage is a little small.
Your name is there. We are very excited at T-Series to produce this film. And as Dino rightly said, our passion is same. Means he loves music. I've done his music for his films, Cocktail and Agent Vinod, which did very well in terms of music. So we wanted to collaborate for films, and I still remember the day when I went to him, he showed me the poster, the first poster of Rabta. And I guess from that day, our Rabta has begun. So we are very, very excited about it and hoped more movies with the same banner in the same collaboration. Thank you.
Also would like to invite on stage the rock star, Mr. Krishan Kumar, who's also the producer. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. And the co-producers, Poonam Shivdasani and Priya Gupta. And President T-Series Marketing, Mr. Vinod Bhanushali, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for them. And we'll have a quick photo op. सबसे पहले द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप डीनू आपके लिए कर रहे हैं एज अ डायरेक्टर. सो वर यू नॉट कीन टू डायरेक्ट? क्योंकि पहले तो कोई रोक नहीं सकता था. आपका बैट आपका बॉल, मैं नहीं खेल रहा. What took
Actually, 10-12 years back when I started, I didn't even know that I had a... Yeah, it's all Sushant. Huh? But I didn't even know I had a creative bone in me, and I think sometimes they say, the stories choose you. Right. So I remember Cocktail had gotten over, and I had disconnected and gone away, and I was at a chocolate shop, and this scene came to me of a girl and guy meeting, and I started developing it. I was in my own head, not even telling people. I was putting it together. I met Siddharth and Garima, who are who have written this film, and they got what I was thinking, and I think I really painstakingly worked them for a year and a half to get a script.
Right.
And it just happened. I don't know when, how, where. It just honestly just happened.
Right. Bhushan ji, this one's for you. Talking about content-driven cinema. You know, Maddock की बात कर रहे हैं, T-series की बात कर रहे हैं, Hindi medium, Noor, Rabta. So please, your views on the same.
See, as I told you, means Dino has passion for films, cinema from long, and he always used to tell me whenever I used to discuss with him that our film should have some connect, some reality-based things to it, which people can connect to. Sure. So that is the thing which got us connected. Both passion for making the content-driven cinema. Right. Which is very in these days. Everybody wants to see films which are connected to their lives or some real life incidents and all. So that's the connect, and that's why we are together with. And obviously, the music is the main passion which we both share.
Right. Thank you so much. Sushant, this one's for you. ट्रेलर में हमने देखा शुरू में ही कृति ने ऐसा कुछ चीज़ी बोल दिया कि भाई तुम तो यार चीज़ी का सहारा ले रहे हो. So was it रियल लाइफ में कभी ऐसा चीज़ी डायलॉग्स चिपकाने पड़े? वो was it your good looks की काम हो जाता था?
नहीं क्या क्या जिस तरीके का कैरेक्टर शिव का है, बहुत कम ऐसे मौके मिलते थे मुझे अपनी लाइफ में जब मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ बाहर जाता हूँ रात को और फिर हम लोग मज़े करते हैं. तो मैं अपने बहुत कम ऐसे मौके होते हैं जब मैं अपने आप को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग साउंड कर रहा होता हूँ और आई वॉन्ट टू होल्ड ऑन टू दैट कैरेक्टर, लेकिन वो सुबह सुबह फिर चला जाता है. तो आई यूज टू मिस माई दैट पार्ट ऑफ माई सेल्फ. बट शिव इज एग्जैक्टली दैट. So here was an opportunity to be my interesting self for 6-7 months at a stretch, and I was getting paid for it. So that was a great thing.
Yeah, please.
So when we started shooting, much before that, so Shiv talks a lot about himself, is in love with himself. Also Maro's a lot of cheesy lines. So this guy had already started doing that, and I was like, you know, you're really like Shiv. So he's like, no. This is not me. मैं शिव बनने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. मैं कैरेक्टर में घुस रहा हूँ. पिक्चर खत्म हो चुकी है, 1 साल हो चुका है, लेकिन अभी भी ये कैरेक्टर में ही है. So that is exactly him. And I think probably this was one character that he played which was so him, and he used to just tell us that no, I'm just getting to the method of it.
So, and you're making chocolates in this, right?
Yes, I made chocolates.
Right. So did you find your way into his heart through chocolates? ऐसा chocolates बना के कुछ ऐसा in the movie?
You just have to show chocolate. That's all.
Really?
Like he's this. So the way he reacts to ice creams, chocolates, and little babies is the same.
Okay.
Like that.
So now you know the secret, guys, huh?
The easiest thing to pata him, or if you want him to just like you and not be like mean to you or whatever, is to give him chocolates and ice creams.
Chocolates, ice creams, and bachas. वो बोला. Not.
But that you can.
What? Okay, cut it. किसी ने कुछ नहीं सुना. Jim, this one's for you. इससे पहले we've seen you play this terrorist का character, and people just loved you. Here you playing this stylish character. Please tell us something about that. एकदम ये transformation from a terrorist to this stylish guy.
Well, I wasn't actually a terrorist. Like I dressed like this.
Okay, in
So
real
it
life.
wasn't a transformation.
So you're very stylish, you mean to say.
I mean, I have clothes.
Terrorists also wear clothes.
Yeah, but terrorists, I only
They wear
want one.
different clothes.
Yeah, I only want one outfit in the.
Okay, talking about your character in this movie.
He's a rich guy. He's a rich guy. He's cool.
You love playing that.
I don't know if I love anything. I like the other one as well. He's a rich guy. He has lots of money to spend. He handpicks all of his stuff. He's like that.
We got it, right? We got it. So I'm sure.
Yeah, I answered your question.
Yeah, he did.
You want to know more about my character in general?
They would love to know, and I'll also, be a part of the conversation.
I think he's a guy who knows exactly what he wants and has all of the resources at his disposal to go and get it.
All right, with that, ladies and gentlemen, it's over to you. I know you have a lot of questions. So, G, please.
Dinesh. Dinesh, here, on your right.
Yeah.
Hi. how was the experience directing Sushant and Kriti? Especially since Sushant is he's a method actor and it's your debut film. So
Actually, I tried to get the method out of him, for which we fed him a lot of chocolates. We distracted him with a lot of things. The first day he's such a good student. He came with 6 pages of his entire character ka sketch, where it started, and then I said, "Isko chhod dete thoro time." And my entire intent with this character was I knew there's a little bit of Shiv in him, and then I realized it's a lot of Shiv in him actually. He just hides it, and I wanted to bring that out. And I think it was the thing is we spent a lot of time together before we started the movie. So we were for 2 months workshopping, and I think they knew the script as well as I did. And it was a very collaborative process where when we were on set, we actually shot this film very quickly. I think we did about 60, 61 days. That's also because my elder sister is the production head and she feels that I spend too much money. So she was kind of... But it was very easy. It was a lot of fun.
हाय सुशांत, मेरा नाम आलोक है, आपके लिफ्ट में सवाल है, ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री हमने देखी, ऑफ स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री कैसी है आपकी कृति की?
केमिस्ट्री तो केमिस्ट्री होती है ऑन स्क्रीन लेकिन हाँ हम लोग ये भी इंजीनियर है, मैं भी इंजीनियर हूँ, दोनों दिल्ली से हैं और
आप भी इंजीनियर हो?
आप भी इंजीनियर हो? आप भी आ जाओ केमिस्ट्री में तो और दिल्ली से हैं तो बड़ी सारी बातें कॉमन थी जो बातें कर सकते थे और
ऐसी ही है केमिस्ट्री जैसी दिख रही है एक्चुअली।
जी तो ऐसी है।
कृति, इसकी लाइन है एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड, तो इससे आप कितना इत्तेफाक रखती हैं?
I really feel like everything, like I feel that I was meant to be a part of Rabta. And it's so strange that before I had signed Heropanti, I had met him for something, generally, where he had narrated me the first scene of Rabta when the story was not developed. Like he was still working on it. And he had narrated me the first chocolate shop scene of this girl and boy and how they strangely feel connected. So it's like I had not even started films back then. And then after so many years doing this film, and that too in a random meeting, just feeling that connect with the script. So everything is connected.
दिनेश, आपसे सवाल है कि खबरें थी, हमने तस्वीरें भी देखी थी कि दीपिका भी इसमें एक खास गीत करने वाली हैं।
वो आपने लास्ट शॉट देखा, कोई एक बंदा था, वो एक्चुअली दीपिका है। दीपिका है मेरे लिए, आई ऑलवेज कंसिडर दीपिका वेरी लकी फॉर मी। जब भी हमने कुछ साथ में काम किया है, वो मेरे लिए और उनके लिए वर्क किया है। सो जब मैंने उन्हें एक फ़ोन किया और उन्होंने एक्चुअली ये ओरिजिनल ट्रैक मेरी एक दूसरी पिक्चर से था जिसको प्रीतम ने रिक्रिएट किया है। तो मैंने उन्हें एक बार मुझे फ़ोन किया था बहुत 4-5 साल पहले कि ये आपकी पिक्चर का गाना है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। तो मैंने उन्हें फ़ोन किया, बोला कि नो कंपल्शन, बट आप लकी हो मेरे लिए, तो राब्ता का टाइटल ट्रैक आप करेंगे। एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग वाज शी सेड यस। उसके बाद कुछ नहीं, सीधा बुदापेस्ट है, शूट कर लिया। सो विद हर देयर इज अ कंफर्ट लेवल आल्सो।
भूषण जी, किस तरीके का म्यूजिक आप प्रोवाइड करने वाले हैं ऑडियंस के लिए इस फिल्म के द्वारा, क्योंकि दिनेश भी म्यूजिकली काफ़ी अच्छे साउंड करते हैं?
See, इसमें we have Pritam and as I told you, Dinesh and we share that music का connect. तो म्यूजिक तो जबरदस्त होना ही है।
हेलो सुशांत है, आशी हियर फ्रॉम म्यूजिक इंडिया। सुशांत, लास्ट फिल्म आपकी जो थी 100 CR क्रॉस की थी, इस फिल्म को लेके कुछ टेंशन है हल्का सा सक्सेस को लेके?
सर वो 100 CR मुझे तो मिले नहीं तो जो पैसे की बात है वो शूट के पहले ही मैं कर लेता हूँ और उसके बाद मैं पैसों के बारे में सोचता नहीं। तो मेरा काम जो होता है वो एंजॉय करना होता है जब मैं काम कर रहा होता हूँ, और होप कर रहा होता है कि जब आप फिल्म देंगे तो आप भी एंजॉय करें, तो मैं वही कर रहा हूँ।
हेलो, यहाँ इधर इधर इधर, राइट। मेरा सवाल है कि ये जो राब्ता वाली फीलिंग है, ये नेगेटिव में भी आती है कि ओनली पॉजिटिव में आती है? मतलब लव में ही आती है कि वो हेट वाला जो पिछली ज़िंदगी में होता है वो भी आता है?
मुझे लगता है कि जो ग्रेटेस्ट विलन्स या द डार्केस्ट इमोशन प्यार से ही आता है। अभी जब प्यार टूटता है तो उसको आप कैसे लेते हैं डिफाइंस आप कौन है। सो अगर बहुत सारा प्यार नहीं हो तो बहुत सारी नफरत हो ही नहीं सकती। तो मुझे लगता है नफरत भी प्यार से कनेक्टेड है।
और मतलब अभी आप लोग स्टार्स हैं और आप लोग काफ़ी लोगों से मिलते हैं, तो कभी ऐसा हुआ कि ये जो राब्ता वाली फीलिंग है ये किसी को देख के आई हो? अगर आप लोग कोई कमेंट करना चाहते हो तो।
See, like I said, Rapta is not necessarily कि romantic angle ही होना चाहिए. कोई भी तरह का connect होना चाहिए. I feel I had a Rapta with him also. Like I feel first time I met him, it didn't feel like the first time. We were chatting for like 2-3 hours, and he started narrating me one script, then other script, like that. So I feel Rapta is like just a connection which can be friendly. It can be with your puppy. It can be with anything, anyone. So yeah, वो तो
आपका
बहुत
क्वेश्चन
सारे
आंसर करने के लिए, जब शिव और सायरा, नॉट सुशांत एंड कृति, मेरे ऑफिस में पहली बार मिले, उनका कुछ राब्ता था. ओके
और भूषण जी का संगीत हमेशा हिट रहा है. लाइक सनम के गाने अभी भी लोग लाइक करते हैं. तो इस फिल्म के संगीत को लेकर हम लोग कितनी उम्मीद कर सकते हैं?
अभी वही क्वेश्चन हमने आंसर किया ना. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग म्यूज़िक है. प्रीतम का म्यूज़िक है और दिनेश और हमने मिलके बनाया है म्यूज़िक. एंड आप सुनेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा. एक गाने की तो झलक आपने सुनी होगी क्या ट्रेलर में.
थैंक यू.
It signifies something for which you'll have to watch the film. It's also there in the trailer.
Yeah, it's a lot there in the trailer.
बहुत सारा खून भी है पिक्चर में.
तलवारें उसने ऐसे करी हैं, उसका जो स्प्लैश है वो आ गया.
कृति एंड सुशांत, आपसे सवाल है
हाय.
आपके सामने. आप दोनों पिछले जन्म की लव स्टोरी पे बिलीव करते हैं रियल लाइफ?
पिछले जन्म की लव स्टोरी आई डोंट नो, बट आई डू बिलीव इन connections, and somewhere I think through the film I started believing in reincarnation a little. What was that book? Many Lives, Many Masters. So that's what, because Saira, my character, does eventually believe in it. So I started reading that, and whatever I read, it felt like it would be true. So I do believe that, you know, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम किसी से मिलते हैं और जिस देख कर या वाइब से आपको वो अच्छा लगता है, आपको वो नहीं अच्छा लगता है. सो आई डू बिलीव समवेयर यू डू हैव प्रोबेबली अ पास्ट कनेक्शन विद दैट पर्सन, व्हिच इज व्हाई यू गेट दैट वाइब.
नहीं, मैं रीइंकार्नेशन पे बिलीव नहीं करता. मैं कभी कभी जीते हुए इस लाइफ पे भी बिलीव नहीं करता. तो मैं पूछ लेता हूँ आसपास रियल में हो रहा है कि नहीं. बट नहीं, मैं करता नहीं हूँ. बट ये वही मैंने बात बोली थी कि स्टोरी इतनी अच्छी है कि जब आप इसे देखेंगे, और जब मैं सुन रहा था और कर रहा था, तो आप इस पे बिलीव करना चाहेंगे. और बस ये
ये पिक्चर एक्चुअली इज नॉट अ टिपिकल वो पुनर्जन्म रीइंकार्नेशन काइंड ऑफ फिल्म. जब ये पिक्चर दोनों नज़रिए को देखती है, अगर आप बिलीव करते हैं और अगर आप नहीं बिलीव भी करते हैं. सो उसके लिए आपको पिक्चर देखनी पड़ेगी. बट ये दोनों पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है दो ही टाइप के पीपल हैं, एक जो बिलीव करते हैं और नहीं बिलीव करते हैं. So, ये दोनों पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को होपफुली हमारा इंटेंट रहा है कवर करने के लिए.
सुशांत और कृति, इस तरफ जैसे फिल्म में एक तरफ आप कॉमन हैं, शिव बने हैं, आप बनी हैं, और सेकेंड लाइफ में आप राजा रानी बने हैं. कौन सा कैरेक्टर आपने ज़्यादा एंजॉय किया, आसान रहा?
आसान तो मैं नहीं कहूँगा, क्योंकि डिफ़िकल्ट तो तब लगेगा जब आपको काम करना पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन आपको करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आप कुछ और चाहते हैं. मैं जो काम करता हूँ उसके लिए मैं दूसरों को पैसे दे सकता हूँ, लेकिन बहुत ही फॉर्चुनेटली मुझे मिलता है. दोनों ही कैरेक्टर जो हैं बहुत ही ऑपोजिट हैं, और इसीलिए आई थिंक दिस इज़ द रीज़न व्हाई दे आर देयर इन द फिल्म. और क्योंकि ये दोनों इतने ऑपोजिट थे, और फॉर्चुनेटली इन दोनों के बीच में मुझे 2-3 महीने का टाइम भी मिला था, तो दोनों में बड़ा मज़ा आया. क्योंकि आप एक एक्सट्रीम तक जाते हैं, फिर दूसरे एक्सट्रीम तक जाते हैं, और जब बदलाव ज़्यादा होता है तो फिर मज़ा ज़्यादा आता है.
सुशांत,
I think I kind of probably spent a little more time thinking about Saira. So, the present character. So, for me, I got very attached to her, I felt. And which is why I started really enjoying when I was playing Saira. And Saiba, which is the other character, on the other hand, I feel was, because I didn't have any reference and it was another time, it was obviously a little more difficult to understand कि वो कैसी होगी, क्योंकि वो आज की लड़की नहीं थी. So that was a little more difficult, but enjoy, if you say, I enjoyed Saira much more.
नॉर्मली राजा रानी को जब हम सोचते हैं उनके बारे में, तो एक बहुत सारे हैवी कपड़े होते हैं, ढेर सारे गहने होते हैं, बट ये राजा रानी थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट है. आप क्या कहेंगे?
कपड़े पसंद नहीं करते.
ये थोड़े डिफरेंट टाइप के राजा रानी हैं, थोड़े अलग हैं. और एक्चुअली जब आप देखेंगे तो ये एक्चुअली जब वापस जाएंगे, कौन राजा है कौन रानी है, ये सब बदलता है. सोच आपके लिए खूब पिक्चर देखनी पड़ेगी, वरना मैं बता दूंगा तो आप आएंगे नहीं.
फिल्म ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा लगा. एक थोड़ा सा अलग सवाल है. कुलभूषण जाधव की रिहाई को लेकर सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पर ढेर सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं. आप लोग कमेंट करना चाहेंगे? कुलभूषण जाधव जो कि पाकिस्तान की जेल में जिनको डेथ पेनल्टी सेंटेंस की गई है, उसको लेकर सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पर ढेर सारी बातें की जा रही हैं. आप लोग कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? अप टू यू.
जहाँ हम जिस बात करने आए हैं अभी ये टॉपिक को डिस्कस करना एक्चुअली करेक्ट नहीं होगा.
Sushant, yeah, hi, straight. Yeah. Hi. If I'm not wrong, this is the first time you would be trying your hands on actions. If you can tell us something on that.
Oh yes, no, I was trying my my hands-on action long back also, but it was just a part of training. Never got an opportunity to do it in any of the films that I've done. But yeah, this was a great opportunity, and me and Dino went to Bangkok for this. And I remember that the choreographer, Kicha, the guy, the choreographer, he did some very interesting choreography, which we really liked. But at the same time, we thought that we can still push it further. And so in a day's time, he just completely took it to some other level. And we stayed there and we practiced a lot. And
he's being a little modest. Generally, he always says a lot how good he is. But even I didn't know that he's very good. He's never done action, but he's very good with the sword. And actually, when we were shooting this, we faced some ridiculous weather. First day, it kind of fully rained out, and we couldn't shoot. And I was getting, I started any director, I would get edgy. I get more edgy than most people. And then the next day, I remember there was this much water, where there was supposed to be just this much water on like a bridge, and there was a deep drop on both sides, and he was supposed to do this whole choreographed action, and everyone said to call it quits. And I went to him, and he looked at me, and I looked at him, and he said, "Karte hain." So I said, "Haan, karte hain." And I had an injury on my leg, so I tied some plastic, and we both walked in. And the sequence actually looks much better when you see in the film, purely because of how much water there was. So sometimes trying to make the most of adversity gives you a better result. So his training and action, if there was anyone else, I wouldn't be able to shoot. So I'm really happy with that he had been smart enough to do this. Unknowingly, that he felt he was going to do Rapta one day, so he had learned it.
Same, Kriti, with you. Was it easy, difficult to do action?
She's the most clumsy person in the world. I can do a video of how many times she's fallen. She's fallen in Budapest, she's fallen in Croatia, she's fallen in Mauritius. She didn't come to Amritsar, otherwise she would have fallen there.
And he's been completely heartless about it. He's like, "Arey, phir gir gayi. Chad jata uske upar, chada kyun nahi tu?" He's been like that. But yeah, I have to say, action, although, I've always been wanting to do it. And I loved doing it. Whatever little bit, I've not done as much because there's just a small section in which I have a smaller section which I'm doing action in that. But I think I really enjoyed it. I think somewhere it does make you feel stronger, firstly, in a way. And yeah, it is tough, especially the place that we were shooting in. But if given an opportunity, I would want to learn more and do more.
सुशांत, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, दोनों से. कृति मैम, आप दोनों से है.
एक तो वैसे ही नहीं दिख रहा, ऊपर से आप और नीचे जाके बैठ गए.
आवाज आ रही है, बोले.
मेरा सवाल आप दोनों से है. सवाल आप दोनों से है. हाल ही में एक सबसे बड़ी डिबेट चल रही है बॉलीवुड में कि फेयरनेस क्रीम को लेके. तो आपका इस पर स्टैंड क्या है कि बड़े बड़े सेलिब्रिटी एंडोर्स करते हैं और कहते हैं कि 15 दिन में आप गोरे बन जाएंगे. तो आप लोगों का स्टैंड कैसे है? और आप
नहीं होना चाहिए ऐसा किसी भी yeah, I mean, like, this is as a responsible probably actors or as a responsible citizen, we should not in any ways endorse or prefer one tone of skin over the other.
Actually, I am the after picture and he's the before picture.
Sushant,
हाँ, अच्छा 15 दिन दे मुझे.
Sushant, Kriti, towards your left. Hi, the trailer looks amazing. आप दोनों की chemistry बहुत अच्छी लग रही है on screen. Who broke the ice first? Because you both are working for the first time. Who broke the ice?
There was no need to break any ice. As I said, the first time when we met, in the old Maddock office, and we were doing this one scene. We didn't know each other at all, but somehow, while doing the scene, it just became very organic.
And of late, आपकी जो on-screen chemistry.
One minute. I think you shouldn't have ducked that question on national interest because it was not a personal question. I heard you telling him that, let's not answer this. I think it's a question of national interest. Yes. And I think.
But I think somebody should not give his or her opinion if he or she is not like very well informed about the topic, because it is a sensitive thing. So you need to be very. Ma'am, can you at least allow me some time to?
Let me finish what I want to say, then you have your say. I'm saying that question was of national interest. All you had to do as Indians was to condemn what Pakistan is doing or not condemn it if you
That's exactly what I'm saying.
But let me finish. But it was not a personal question that you should be ducking. So
Now, ma'am, we got your question. All right, we got your question now. But to say yes, condemn, or no, condemn, you need to be responsible enough to know the facts related to it.
Maybe we haven't read enough to be able to give a proper answer.
Why is it so wrong? Should I ask you like few questions? Would you answer all the questions? Should I ask you like questions about national interest? Would you know all the answers?
First and foremost, I'm not a public figure.
So there is nowhere written that a public figure should know everything about.
I don't know why you're turning it into a personal banter between us.
But let's.
Any of you on stage could have said.
No, we.
I don't know how many of you agree with me, but I just.
All right. Any other questions?
Sushant, Kriti, right here, on your left. Yeah, on your right. Sorry. I just like we're talking about Rabta. So, as a Kriti to you, as a person, would you be more connected to Sushant as a person or his character in the movie? Who do you feel you have more connect to?
More connect with?
Yeah.
I think I can say both, yeah, because I know both so well. I think we've lived with the script so much. What?
I'm real.
Yeah, but I connect with Shiv also. I've been Saira. See, obviously I know him much better because I've known him like in and out through the shoot. But Shiv, of course, it's a character, so whatever whatever the directors put on the script and whatever he's as an actor put in front of me as Shiv, I know only that. So I connect with both, but yeah, obviously he's a real person, so I connect a little more with him.
Another debate that is going on.
Me? About me?
Yeah, I want him to
I
answer
connect
as
with
well.
Priti more than the fictional characters.
Okay. Just one last question. One more debate that has been going on in the industry is about the nepotism that is in the industry. Both of you are not from the filmy background. So have you guys faced it when you were starting out?
I think I just answered this question only yesterday when I said that almost all the films that I've done and all the films that I'm doing in the next 1.5 years, these are the films that I really wanted to do. Out of many options, I had this luxury of choosing these films. So from a personal point of view, I cannot complain. But having said that, it is not there. It is not that it's not there. It's there, and it's everywhere in all sorts of industry, just not Bollywood. And I feel that nepotism can peacefully coexist with the fact that if you just don't, if you allow new talents from outside to flourish and encourage them, then there's no problem with nepotism. But if you don't allow that, then there is a problem, and I think that the whole structure of the industry would collapse in some time.
Hi, Sushant. Well, you guys are looking absolutely stunning together. You know, amazing stuff. And I'm sure we all loved the trailer. And वो हमने acknowledge कर भी दिया यहाँ पे. So that's all we have for you, ladies
just one
and gentlemen.
final question,
Thank you
please,
so
if
much.
I may.
Sir, let me decide, sir, please.
Excuse
We'll have
me,
a quick photo op. With
one
due
last
respect,
question.
sir. We'll take...
Let's take the last question.
आपने कहा? हुआ?
Yeah.
Yes,
Hi.
sir.
Hi, Sushant. The title is so, Rabta, it just cannot be a connect with any physical connect. Like, you keep writing these self-using, and like people like me find a strong connect with that. And there's also one more gentleman, Shekhar Suman, who keeps writing these...
Shekhar Kapoor.
Sorry, Shekhar Kapoor, who keeps writing these wonderful pearls of wisdom. So what I wanted to know was that, this self-using, is it a result of your camaraderie with Mr. Kapoor?
Probably yes, because I think before I met him, when we were preparing for this film, unfortunately, that didn't get made, which was Pani, I think I was quite rigid as far as my point of views were concerned, quite very opinionated. And what he did to me in those 6-7 months was to convince me that there is just not one right way of looking at things and doing things, but it just depends on your perspective. And anything could be right, anything could be wrong.
Thank you so much. We'll have a quick photo op, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.